Unscrambling the meaning of scrambled. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and commonly used English term, scrambled. This word can pop up in various contexts, from the breakfast table to a challenging situation. If you've ever wondered what someone means when they say their thoughts are scrambled, or they're eating scrambled eggs, then you're in the right place. Let's crack the shell of this expression together. Scrambled originates from the word scramble, which means to mix or mess something up. A visual example that most of us are familiar with is scrambled eggs. When eggs are scrambled, they are beaten and mixed up, usually in a pan, until they are cooked into a soft, cohesive mass. This visual gives us a tangible understanding of the word. It's all about mixing things to the point where they become hard to separate. Moving beyond the breakfast table, scrambled is a versatile word used to describe situations, communications, and even feelings. Situations: if someone says, "The plans are all scrambled," it means that the plans are confused or disordered. Communications: in technology, scrambled can refer to a signal or data that is encrypted or disrupted, making it hard to understand. Feelings: when someone mentions their thoughts are scrambled, it means their thoughts are muddled or disorganized. In each case, the underlying theme is a lack of order or clarity, much like those eggs in the pan. Now, let's see how to use scrambled in a sentence correctly. After the long flight, my thoughts were completely scrambled. The telecom company scrambled the signals for security purposes. She was running late and had to eat her eggs scrambled to save time. Noticing the pattern? It's all about the context, which shifts the meaning slightly, but the essence of being mixed up remains constant. Interestingly, scrambled can also be part of idiomatic expressions. For example, "My brains are scrambled" doesn't mean someone literally has scrambled eggs for brains, but rather that they are feeling confused or unable to think clearly. I hope this video has helped you understand the different nuances of the word scrambled. Whether it's your breakfast or your brain on a busy day, now you'll know exactly how to express the chaos in perfect English. Remember, language learning is like making scrambled eggs. Mix it up, keep it moving, and eventually, it all comes together beautifully. Keep practicing, and don't forget to smile and scramble through your language journey. See you in the next video.